Hello and welcome to the Konica Minolta Client Engagement Centre here in Dunstable. You join myself, Mark Hamley and Darren Court. We're here today from VSS, Video Solutions and Services, and we're here to talk around our product, FORXAI Mirror. So FORXAI Mirror is an AI device which, as you can see onto the right of us here, is used to detect PPE. So anywhere that you may have a need to actually do a compliance check and a moment in time check before your employees enter an area is where this product's particularly well suited. So Darren, in terms of what it can look for and what it's detecting, how many detections do we now have on this one?
So we've currently got 26 detections and growing. Detections can vary from anything such as obviously gloves, hard hat, all the things you would expect to see and find on a building site, in a manufacturing plant, in a logistics arena. So yeah, it's really suited to many different customers and verticals.
In terms of how it works, so obviously you can see our device to the right-hand side here, so you get a nice visual display for it. And Darren's just going to walk through and show you the operation in a second. But you can see there's cameras at the top. They're doing the reference check. We then have a computational device in the background, which is doing analytics. So that's your AI effectively. And it's working out what you're wearing, but more importantly, whether you're wearing it correctly. So if you've got gloves on, for example, but they happen to have a rip in them, it's going to detect that. If you've got a hairnet on, but you've got strands of hair coming out the side, it's going to see that. Things like jewelry that shouldn't be on, any of those kind of bits. If you can see it, the software can see it, and we can configure it as such. So we'll demonstrate that to you now, and we've got various other brochures which we'll put down the bottom as well, and we'll pick up in a second.
Okay, so I'm going to talk you through a little bit about the operation now. Really simple device just to use. We're just going to start off with some pretty much everyday items. You've got your high-vis vest here, you've got a hard hat, and we're going to go with the safety goggles. And remember, like I say, up to 26, you can add things like your masks, your gloves, your shoe protectors, hand jewelry, all those sorts of things. So it really is completely bespoke to your own individual company. So to access the device, all you have to do is just use your standard everyday ID card. You're going to tap it on the side, stand in position like so, and then it's going to tell me exactly what I'm wearing and what I'm not. And we've got here at the top, hard hat, safety goggles, and high-vis vest, and I'm missing those three other items. So it really is as simple as that.